Hi everyone, welcome back to Saas Pro. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to unblock YouTube channel using a quick and easy method from your account settings. Step 1. Open YouTube and click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is where all your account options appear, so make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Step 2. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. This takes you to the Creator dashboard where you can access all your channel settings. Step 3. Look at the left sidebar and click on Settings. It's located at the bottom and gives you access to general and advanced options. Step 4. Inside the Settings menu, click on the Community section. This area controls who can comment on your videos and which users are hidden. Step 5. Scroll down to find the Hidden Users section. Here, you'll see a list of all the channels you've blocked from interacting with your content. Step 6. Find the user you want to unblock and click the small cross icon next to their name. This will remove them from the block list instantly. Step 7. Once you've removed the user, click Save to confirm your changes. This step is important to make sure your update is applied successfully. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro for more helpful tutorials.